Look, I've been to over 10 storm events throughout 26 years of doing restoration. And some of the things that I've learned is that they get all these restoration companies from all over the country to come in for the initial cleanup. Okay, initial cleanup's done within about 1 month, 6 weeks, then everybody's gone. All right, you've got a lot of people here that need rebuilt. They need ground up rebuilding, and you're going to need to have a company that's willing to stick out here for 2-3 years to get that done. We're that company, and we want to come out, we want to talk to you about how we can help you with that.